Alright, here we're going to go over the quiz. Here we're solving, we have x, the variable and the exponent. Alright, so here they have the same base, we have 3 and 3. So then we'll just put them equal to this. So 2x minus 1 is equal to x plus 2. Since they have the same base, we just write the exponents equal to each other. Okay, I'm going to move this x over to the other side. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides. So now I have 2x minus x, which gives us x. Bring down this, it's going to be minus 1 is equal to 2. Bringing that down. Okay, and so now I'm just going to add 1 to both sides. And so x is equal to 3. Now here we have 2 to the 3x power is equal to 4 to the x plus 2. Okay, they don't have the same base, but what we can do is rewrite the 4 in terms of 2. So it'll be 2 squared x plus 2. Remember to distribute the 2. Now that we have the same base, we can put them equal to each other. So 3x is equal to 2x plus 4. Combine like terms. I'm going to move 2x over by subtraction. So say minus 2x from both sides. So end up with x is equal to 4. Okay, now here we don't have the same base. Now this, we can write 9 with a negative exponent. So the way we're going to do that is write 9 in terms of 3, and the way we can do that is write 3 to the negative 2 power, because 3 squared gives you the 9, and since it's underneath in the denominator, we can use negative. Now we have the same base, so we just put them equal to each other. So 2x minus 1 is equal to negative 2. Okay, I'm going to move the 1 to the other side, so I'm going to add 1. So you get 2x is equal to negative 1. Divide both sides by 2, and x is equal to negative 1/2. Alright, for question 4, okay, they don't have the same base, but I can write 4 in terms of 2, so it'll be 2 squared, so it'll be x plus 1 is equal to 2 cubed, because 2 cubes replace an 8. Now distribute the 2, so we get 2x plus 2 is equal to distribute the 3. Okay, now we combine like terms. I'm going to go ahead and just move the 6x over. Okay, they have different signs, so I subtract. Take the sum with a larger absolute value. So I end up with negative 4 plus 2 is equal to 9. Subtract 2 from both sides. And so we end up with negative 4x is equal to 7. Divide both sides by negative 4. And we get x is equal to negative 7/4. Okay, now for number 5, okay, they don't have the same temptation maybe to try to make it 16, but you can't. If you square 8, you don't get 16, you get 64. So we're going to write this in terms of 2. So 2 to the 3rd power replaces the 8. Okay, and then here we can write this with negative exponent is 2 to the negative 4. Because 2 to the 4th power gives us 16. And now we have the same base, so we can put our exponents equal to each other. I'm going to go ahead and distribute the 3, so I get 3x minus 6 is equal to negative 4. Add 6. So we get 3x is equal to 2. Divide both sides by 3. And x is equal to 2/3. Alright, now here, we got to get them in terms of the basis the same. I'm going to replace the 25 with 5 squared. And I'm going to replace the 125 with 5 cubed. Okay, so I'm going to end up with 2 times 2, because again we have the same base, and now we can put the exponents equal. So 2 times 2, so it gives me 4x. Okay, distribute the 3, so I get 3x plus 6. Move the 3x over, so we get x is equal to 6. Alright, here we have inequalities now. So we still have to get the same base. So I'm going to rewrite 27 in terms of 3, so I can write 3 to the negative third power. Now they have the same exponent, same base, so I can write as x minus 4 is less than negative 3. And then we'll just add 4 to both sides, so we get x is less than 1. Okay, and so that's our answer for this one. Here, don't have the same base, but we can write 2 squared would give us 4. Now they have the same base. Distribute the 2, so we get 4x minus 4 is greater than x plus 1. Okay, subtract x from both sides. Get 3x, bring down the minus 4. Okay, is greater than 1. Okay, add 4 to both sides. So we end up with 3x is greater than 5. Divide both sides by 3. And we end up with x is greater than 5/3. Alright, now over here, we're going to write 125 in terms of 5. So we get 5 squared, 5 to the 2x is less than 5 to the third power x minus 5. Okay, distribute the 3, so we get 2x is less than 3x minus 15. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and subtract 3x. So we get negative x is less than negative 15. Can't have a negative variable, so we'll divide both sides by negative 1. When we do that, we have to reverse the inequality, so we end up with x is greater than 15. Alright, so that was the solving with exponents, inequalities, and so hopefully this helps out a little bit.